So my name is David. I am 29 years old and I'm a data analyst. I mainly do a lot of data analysis, such as cleaning up the data and then sorting out the information to get the best table available. So it involves a lot of use of Microsoft Excel, cleaning up like data that's not relevant, and then to actually in order to find the meaningful info. Yeah, so actually before I come to the course, because I took this AI course, I actually used ChatGPT quite extensively before. But previously I mainly used it as a translator because previously I worked for a Japanese company and it helped quite a bit. So when I first joined the course, I thought okay, it's just ChatGPT, how hard can it be? Because I used it on my own. Then when I actually took the course, I didn't know that there were so many different AI platforms available, not just ChatGPT, but also Perplexity, and each of them have different specialization on their own. So after I took the course, I got introduced to a lot of different models, and I find some of them is actually a lot more useful for data analysis, which is what I do compared to the others. Then it really opened my eyes to the world of AI. I would say that after I took the course, I was able to actually strategize in giving AI prompts to help what I want. And now I understand that in order to actually get exactly what you want with AI, you need to actually give very specific instructions. And on top of that, I also start to compare different types of AI models as well. I would say it actually goes beyond my expectations because before that, I actually didn't think much about this AI course. I just thought it's just, for people who never use ChatGPT and then they need to be trained to do it. But what I didn't know is there's a lot more in AI than just, typing out and then getting the AI to put out the info that you want.